Can I get a wow?
Wow.
Lion foot?
Wow.
Baby, lion foot, big up yourself. The righteous are chill. Can I get a nice moment?
Wow.
Wow, lion foot, righteous stuff. Little bit of baby.
Off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters and our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, Dada. Remove all pain. Remove all shackles. Remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Give thanks for the rising of the sun and the
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen. My lioness, I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and health over wealth. And your health is your wealth, so do take care of it. See my kings and queen. My lioness, blessed Sunday, anyone day and big up on yourself. More life and prosperity and blessings. I'm going to say, thought of today, message of today, give thanks to life. Be grateful for what you've got. Don't push your basket where you can't reach it. See? Now my viewers and subscribers, today I want to talk to you. I couldn't know what's going on, you know what I mean? Downtown. I mean I say, gun clown get murdered downtown. Jaja say I know my viewers and subscribers. And also JNR in Gambia are doing great things. JNR built a school, get a school founded. You know what I mean? I'm grateful to see that. And also, you don't know, Stylo down in Gambia too. I do the works, big up the whole Gambia, big up the link them. Jamie, big up yourself, you know. Spital, you don't know. Abba, Zane. Yeah. The whole Gambia, see me? The Stylo down Japan tour. Greatness of JNR and Gambia. And also, I don't know, Raga Ruggie. Mash up the people, them through the star. Raga Ruggie, Flitters Boss. Mash up the people, them radio station star. Jano, I don't know I'm Jano star. Move after the break.
Yeah, me.
From now on, I'm gonna settle down. No more, I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well left me, but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Again, once I give thanks to life, blessed Sunday. Big up all of who have them big red rice I got cooking now, you know what I mean? Oxtail and curry goat or pig trotters or cow foot or stew peas or chicken back, ackee and saltfish, callaloo, white rice, dumpling, ton caramel. It no matter what, just be grateful for what you've got, because someone out there now have nothing. Zin? Yeah, so now my viewers and subscribers, we don't know when the crime rate go down, sorry. Nah, done, you see me? Every day I hear somebody dead star. You see me, I say every day 4 or 5 people drop at Jamaica. Jamaica come like it curse right now. Me I tell you, say, yo, Jamaica need million more earths. You see me, I say, cause base color burst. You see me, I say, my people, it's like the vampire, them bloodthirst. Now my viewers and subscribers, watch what I want.
Which one is this? In dead man. In dead man.
The police have the gun in my hand. The police have the gun in my hand.
What's the funny?
Some man come lick down a man and sell a Princess Street and Barrow Street and I take with himself and I run past a wholesale Palm Barrow Street and some police boy and I run out and lick down one of the gunman them. I him that drop on him face with him strap on him, you know, one of the gunman them, like a August town them come from. Come kill a man and sell pillar. And I take with himself and the police run out of wholesale and lick down the man the way he drop on him face. You see him right hand see him drop and hold on him angle, you know. But on really the killer that, you know, we're dead, you know, him friend them I might take with himself. Just go.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. That was a murder going on yesterday downtown Kingston. As I hear the man say, you know, man them come murder a brother was selling pillar in pillar case. Man I sell pillar, you know. And them come kill the man, you know. Well, I don't know if it's a young man them kill or an elder. But at the end of the day, the man try to make a living. Zine. Pillar the man I sell and them take him out, daddy. The kings and queen. So now the man them do them act and a run. We don't know if them, you see me, do them act and a run, you know. A police in a wholesale run out and here we are going to run out and turn over one of them. Eventually get the gun. Police have the gun in their hand, but I don't know a YouTube policy. I can't show you the full video properly. You know what I mean? Because a YouTube policy, but some I say the story, the crime be done, man. I don't know if the person that with them kill involved in no altercation or no argument or nothing, or you know if it's an elder and his son in no argument with people or badness. Because you know some people, you know, them have them family member, them son are involved in a war and them end up lose them life, the parents them, you see me? So I don't know if it's an elder or a youngster. But at the end of the day, two people lost them life, how we say John Oster. Condolence to both families. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. As I say, I just film there, that a film time, you know? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so we just want the crime rate for stop star, is it? No, my viewers and subscribers, moving on. Watch out, JNR in Gambia. Quite some time now I do some promotion and also some works. You know what I mean? And JNR founded a school. I don't know the name of the school yet, but it's a joy to see that because, you know, JNR tell me, say, boy, you might line up, build a school for the youth them in the community style, because you know Africa that, and it doesn't take much, you know. It doesn't take much to give. You know what I mean? The youths them are dying for hunger. Not one or two, I'm talking countless numbers. Presidents and the prime ministers, they need help, they need your help. Yeah, man, that is a single scene. Yeah, look out for it. You don't know. You know, we have them loaded up, you see me? You know, my viewers and subscribers, yeah. So, JNR the greatness, watch what I go on.
Somebody calling me?
Yes.
You know, my dad bless up the youths, bless up the youths, them. I done.
Thank you very much.
Bless. With all pleasure.
May God bless you, huh? May God bless you.
Inshallah, Rastafari.
Thank you.
Inshallah.
Thank you, bye.
Mark,
Your name again?
give thanks again, alright? Bless.
Thanks for that.
Yeah, man, it's a joy that. Big up JNR, great works. I like to see that and the youth them must sing. You see me, I say, youth them must sing in them Wolof. You know what I mean? Nagadef. Yeah, you see me, I say, my viewers and subscribers. So, big up JNR for that. And watch a picture here now, JNR link up with Stylo down in Gambia. You see in Gambia, Stylo they're on a tour right now in Gambia. And you don't know, I see that picture yesterday, so I say me that include it in it while like how we are up on JNR case. You see me, I say, yes, so big up JNR and Stylo link up. JNR does chop a dub plate. Him say, yo, this is the baddest collab dub plate. You see me, dub plate collab, so it look like a Stylo collab with someone else. I wonder for SK or a Sparkling Black. You see me, big up the Gambian artist, them, you know. Moving on, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, I can't left in and make on your Raga Ruggie mash up the people them radio station enough time going there for go perform, and the man just, you know when them get wild already, and you see me, watch what I want.
Ready again, see that
I want the rain now.
There's a word different tonight.
Bagger! Let me take this back. Jamaica! This has been do you remember remix. Now that will look at all this after it. In a year and jump up at it. A madman you have in here. You know my Mr. Dog come and Give me that. Hey! 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 Come on, Waxon Market. Waxon Market. Short down, I'm going to
Nice.
Just come and just talk to the studio. Yo, Raga, I go after brethren.
Baby tune.
Brethren, come back with the dustbin.
The one that name Maga. The one that name Muzzle the Park Holiday.
And where is father?
Muzzle the Park Holiday. Bad people in the park road there now. They don't know what just going. Raga Ruggie just run through the studio. They don't know none that normal.
Wow, the popcorn boss. Are you mean moving? Not even on the fire in your move.
That's a different entrance, Kelly. Different entrance in the normal. Look at Raga Ruggie. You don't know. I'm Mr. Profile.
My viewers and subscribers, you see Raga Ruggie, we got the Flitters boss. Yeah man, when I say mash up the studio, him really mash it up, because I know anywhere I'm going to perform and the people have to laugh and energy and entertainment and you know what I mean? The man take the popcorn and flip, yo. Anyway, I run a Raga Ruggie trademark that, you know. Anywhere in there, you see that if him nah bust balloon, he might fling something out of the air, or he might climb up on something, or something off your guan. See him? Yeah, that's Raga Ruggie. So you don't know my viewers and subscribers. I hope you enjoy this update and this content. And I mean, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. And share, man. Please, share the thing. See? Yeah, man, you don't know lion foot and big up on yourself. You don't know if you can't be good. Be careful. Be safe. I'm out.
If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? You wanna name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out on a defense by reasoning, yeah.
Yeah, man, I eat that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.